Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Collibra. Collibra is a software platform designed for data governance and data management. It helps organizations understand, manage, and maintain their data in a secure and organized way. Its goal is to make data easy to find, understand, and trust across a company. Collibra allows you to create a business glossary. This is a list of definitions for the terms and data elements used in your organization. By using a business glossary, everyone in the company can agree on what each term means. Collibra also offers a data catalog. This catalog organizes all your data assets in one place. You can use it to search for data, understand its meaning, and see how it connects to other data. Another important feature of Collibra is data lineage. Data lineage shows the path data takes as it moves through different systems. This helps organizations track where data comes from, how it changes, and where it is used. Collibra also provides workflow automation. Workflows can help assign tasks, track approvals, and manage data-related processes. Collibra includes tools for data quality management. It allows organizations to monitor the accuracy, completeness, and reliability of their data. You can also set roles and permissions to make sure the right people have access to the right information. This ensures sensitive data is protected while still being usable. Overall, Collibra is used to improve data governance, increase trust in data, and make it easier for teams to collaborate around data. Thanks for watching.